spoken quietly, never stand test of time. Little things you do silently, resting easy on my mind. Little boy, you think you're a man. Well, have you carried the weight of the one who loves you every day, through the darkness and the rain? She believed that you said you'd always stay. If you never meant it, then why did you say? Little boy, look from your father now, bringing home bread, learning from mistakes. A little child, look at your mother now, see the light gone from her face. She believed that you said you'd always stay. If you never meant it, then why did you say? That you love her? Left her. Thanks, guys. That was a song from our 2020 album, Wind City Airport, called Those Wedding Bells. Yeah, is one of my favorites from that album, so hope you liked that. Hope you liked the silly MacBook video that I made before this one. I don't know what the whole idea behind that was. My MacBook died, and then I started like singing a song about it and ended up making a video about it. But yeah, today was a fun day to make a video. Got nothing going on. Thought I'd pop into this parking garage and see if I could do it. So hope you guys enjoyed that, and we'll be coming at you real soon with a new one. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Bye.